Right, amazing people, welcome back yet again to the Guided Dreams YouTube channel. My name is Dr. City Onyema from the Guided Dreams platform. Okay, this is an amazing opportunity for anyone that is interested in pursuing a pathway, as a caregiver for seniors, for children, for those living with disabilities. A lady reached out to me the other time telling me, is there any legit um, agency that can help me achieve my dream? Here you have it, my darling, the Niagara Caregivers and Personnel Limited. Okay, so this is an agency that has been working with people since 1983, providing unique and amazing solution that is right for people in terms of living nannies, living caregivers, those living with disabilities, seniors, children, meeting the needs of people since 1987. Now, in here, you see that they have over 37 years of experience, okay, which their staff will bring to help you to have a strong placement, in the caregiver industry out there and provide families across Ontario with the highest level of service and affordable home care solutions. Okay, in here, they talk about their company success derived from return clients, referrals, and quality service provided. Okay, now over here you see some of the associations they belong to: Hamilton Chamber of Commerce, IAPA, that is International Alpa Association, and Association of Caregiver and Nanny Agencies Canada. Now, these are the societies, sorry, these are the cities where they service, starting from Hamilton, where they are based, to Ancaster, to Dundas, Stony Creek, Simcoe, Oakville, Milton, Toronto, Brampton, Markham, Richmond Hill, down to Barrie, Windsor, Sarnia, Kitchener, all over the GTA and surrounding communities across Ontario. Now, if we take a look at what the past employees are saying about them, let's look at a few of these. Now, here you see, I think this is a client that is satisfied by what they did. So, this Lindsay from Hamilton talking about, if you're a family looking for a flexible caregiver option for a loved one, Niagara Caregivers are devoted to finding a dedicated and committed individual to work with each family's unique needs. Now, this is a lady, Rodora from Philippines, that this agency helped to move to Canada. She said, I am from the Philippines. My husband came to Canada as a living caregiver via Niagara Caregivers and Personnel Limited and was granted a landed immigrant status after several years. My husband sponsored me to come to Canada in the year 20, maybe 21 or something. I did not have a job, and my husband referred me to Niagara Caregivers, where I met Cherry Richards, the owner. She made sure that I will be placed properly. Now, she summarized by saying, I keep telling my friends who are looking for a job to go to Niagara Caregivers because they will not go wrong. For me, Niagara Caregivers and Personnel Limited is the best. So it simply means that even if you want to come in as a single person and sponsor your family later, you can do that. If you want to move in together as a family, there are conditions as well, which I will show you. Stay with me on this video, even as we end this testimonial with this guy, this lady from Ireland known as Mary. Now she's talking about, I'm very pleased with my family in Canada. They have treated me like a member of their family. She ended by saying, I couldn't have got a better family. Now, Monica lastly said, it's great to work for a family in a foreign country. learning not only a new language, but also learning more about myself through the children and household chores. I will recommend it to everybody, nannies and family. So these are amazing people from different countries, Germany, Ireland, Philippines, France, and what have you, that they've brought over to Canada to start a new life. Meaning it's possible with you looking and watching this video right now. So how do we go about it? There are various employment opportunities. Just simply go to this tab. My interest in this video is in the home childcare provider and home support worker. If you're interested in PSW and other opportunities, you see PSW in there, click on it. Daily childcare opportunities, also click, and all that. But I'm interested in this first one, the home childcare provider. So I'll click on it. Okay. So in here, it says, are you an overseas childcare professional, a professional caregiver, teacher, or a nurse with a true passion for helping children, seniors, and persons with disability? You can apply for work in Canada as a home childcare provider or a home support worker. They simply go ahead to tell you, we place nanny and caregiver professionals in Ontario, Canada, with families that are looking for the best care for their loved ones and family. If you are seeking a position in Canada, we can assist. We truly appreciate our professional nannies and caregivers. The job provider is very rewarding, and we work with families who truly want to find the best care. And all that and all that, they end by saying we also continue our support for you and the employer after successful placement. So they don't just place you and let you run. They take you by hand and make sure that you are settled, you are happy, and the employer is also happy. Does that make sense? If yes, come on, like this video, share, and comment. Tell us how you feel about this opportunity, even as we, try to move forward. All right, moving on. What do they offer? Four things. One, they offer Ontario regulated wages. This is not a case where you are paid something less than the minimum wage. It hurts me to see people from, let me not mention any country, but doing less than minimum wage jobs. This is not the same with this agency. Two, a live-in and live-out positions with children. Live-in a case where you want to live with the family. Live out when you stay somewhere else and just come and do your job and you move away. Okay? So they offer both with seniors, children, adults with disabilities. Now look at this. This is the one I like. No enrollment or placement fees to applicants or employees. I keep on telling people, any agency that wants to help you get a job here in Canada will not bill you. It is the employers that pay these agencies, not you, the applicant. So whoever is charging you to get you a job, that is a red flag. Finally, they keep on supporting you, and counseling you before and during your employment. Now, what are the qualifications and experiences that they are looking out for? Now, I won't go through all this, I'll just highlight a few. First thing first, you should have work experience or training for the type of work you're applying for. Okay? Whether you're applying for a home childcare provider for children or a home support worker for seniors, you should have a training, okay, or experience. Now remember, this program does not include housekeeping jobs. Okay? Now you should have the ability to work up to 30 hours per week. People do 60. What is 30? I mean, now you should also have the ability to pass English or French test, CLB5. You understanding this video, communicating you can't be able for sure get that CLB of 5. You should have the minimum education requirement. What is that? A post-secondary education. Your criminal record should be clean, pass a medical examination, have a valid passport. It's crazy, but some people who want to travel, they don't have a passport. I mean, what's going on? Go get your passport, my dear. Now, you should have the ability to commit at least 3 years with them. Now, if your family is coming with you, you pay your fees for them to get a work permit, or you pay the fees to pass your language test, your biometrics, even your airfare to Canada. You will take care of those. All right. Now, you should have the ability to pay for the study and work permit fees of your children if they are coming with you. Okay. Now, you have the option to live in, like I've explained before, or to live out. All right. So, what will they provide for you? They, the agency, and their clients. Okay. They provide you the assistance with your application and filing when applying for employment in Canada. They will offer you a genuine job offer, an employment contract with your future employer. Again, they do not charge the applicants any fees. All right. Now, if you choose to live in, your employer will provide you a private furnished bedroom plus your wage as agreed. Now, if you need a consultant to help you with your work permit and permanent residence application, they offer you that as well. So this is a whole package, all right, which I believe is amazing. And anybody that should say that this is what you desire for yourself, I don't know, you better jump on this opportunity. Now, how do you reach out to these guys? Simply send them an email using this email right now on your screen. Kim, spelled Kim, at niagaracaregivers.com. On that email, provide information about your work experience and request an application. They will assist you to prepare your file for Canadian employers to review. If need be, they will arrange for a phone interview. And finally, if you are successful, they will provide you a job offer from your future employer. That is all you need to do. But remember, before you click that send button on that email, make sure you are sending it with the right resume. And that is where my bonus offer for you for staying till the end of this video comes in. I'm going to help you by reviewing your resume for free. The only thing I'm asking you is send me an email with that request, resume review and optimization, using this email right now on your screen, guideddreams with a Z at gmail.com. And I'll review your resume for you. I've been offering this since the month of May. It's been helpful and insightful for everybody. Now, if this is the first time you are coming across our content, or you are among those that watch my videos, I said movies, watch my videos rather, please, I'll move on. You're among those 90%. Kindly stop by. Click the subscription button below. I believe this has been an amazing experience. It's been a helpful experience. So help us grow by clicking the subscription button. It's free of charge. Okay, like this video, that will help YouTube recommend it to a whole lot of others. And if you can, spend just 2 seconds and share this video with friends. Help them, to start a better life somewhere. I wish you the very best of luck out there. And as usual, I will see you in yet another one. Bye-bye.